At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we strive to be a trusted choice for ductless mini-split repair Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, by providing dependable service, honest recommendations, and quality workmanship for residential and commercial customers. We handle a wide range of HVAC services, including air conditioning repair service, furnace repair service, HVAC system repair, air conditioning cleaning, and HVAC duct and vent cleaning. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Why is my ductless mini-split not cooling or heating properly? Your ductless mini-split may not be cooling or heating properly for several reasons, including dirty air filters, refrigerant leaks, blocked airflow, sensor issues, electrical problems, or a malfunctioning HVAC control system. Our team carefully inspects your system components to ensure your mini-split operates safely, efficiently, and consistently throughout the year. What causes a ductless mini-split system to leak water indoors? A ductless mini-split system may leak water indoors due to clogged condensate drain lines, dirty air filters, frozen evaporator coils, damaged drain pans, or improper system installation. As experienced HVAC contractors, we perform thorough inspections, HVAC system repair, air conditioning cleaning, and other heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services to help improve system efficiency and prevent future issues. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Windham, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.